12:49. Let's look outside. It's going to be a hot day today. It is a hot day already out there. At the moment, temperatures have been running in the upper 90s. But I want to point out something before we dive into all that. See all those little areas in New Orleans, that parishes, that as they call them, are surrounded in light blue. Some concerns for flooding. There were some shower possibilities associated with Tropical Depression number 5 in that area. You see on the right side of the screen. And you know what? If you're not on a widescreen TV, I need to move this over for you. There we go, right there. A little bit of a rotation in the atmosphere. See how the showers to the left side of the screen are dropping south, and then to the right side moving up. Very subtle, very sloppy, if you will, rotation in the atmosphere. You can even see a few showers dropping south out of Louisiana, heading towards Houston. Some of those may be a little more on the intense side, so we're going to keep an eye on those. No watches or warnings on it. I do have the warnings and watches turned on, but I do expect that to give those folks a little bit of interesting weather, at least for the afternoon. See the showers that were out there to the east of San Angelo? I can't really pause this because it's at the beginning of that. Yeah, I'll try here. Let's loop it, and then we'll stop it right at the beginning of that, right there. See the showers to the north of Brady up there east of San Angelo? Well, we could see along that line that stretches all the way over towards areas south of Shreveport. It's a little cold front. Could see some showers fire up on that and head south this afternoon. Big concern? Not really, unless you happen to be outside or maybe the kids want to go to the pool. If there's a shower headed their direction, could be some lightning in it. That's what we'd be fearing in a situation like this. So we'll keep an eye on it. Otherwise, at the moment, 97 degrees. Not kidding. That is a noontime temperature like we've not had in quite a while. Winds are calm, humidity at 41%. Our temperatures this morning into the upper 70s in most areas, 75 out at the airport, but 78 here, and then down to 71 in Fredericksburg this morning. 74 in Mason, 77 in Bastrop, 75 areas of Georgetown. Now, we are at 97 here in Georgetown, 97 here in Austin, 96 at Bergstrom, 95 in Lakeway. We are now 99 in Llano. We got to 104 here yesterday. We were 103 here in Austin. And out to the east, we have 93s, 94s, 95s, 92 down in Lockhart. I think the San Marcos site just gave up. No temperature recorded there this half hour. All right, heat advisory for all the counties lit up in orange. I don't have an answer for you as to why it's not lit here. Maybe because it's maybe they decided not to, but I don't have. Usually we'll get a reason why there is, but not a reason why not. I meant to call the Weather Service and ask them about that, but there are not. What I would say whenever you see something like this, don't worry about who's in and who's out. Heat advisory through 8 p.m. You know it's going to be hot. Temperatures are going to head up to the 100s, so do take it easy on yourself. Also, if you can, get on the phone, check friends, family, relatives. Know anybody elderly or infirmed? This is the kind of weather that becomes deadly when an air conditioner dies, or if they don't have some way to cool the house down. It can be very, very serious. Also, lock the car doors after every time you get out of a car. That way the kids can't get back inside and play. We hear about those stories all the time, so this is a little preemptive here. Out and about to the north, little frontal boundary right to the north of us. We're seeing a possibility for showers fire up along that today. It could drop south. That's where we get our rain chance. Maybe a few showers out to the east of us. In fact, our forecast model has been trying to gather a few showers up, that little system that once was Tropical Depression number 5, and move it to the west, and that would get into areas of southeast Texas. See a little bit of shower activity there. That's not associated. That's the showers that we have right now. It's not really a well-formed system that we expect, but given it a couple of days, watch the bottom right of the screen. Maybe that could be some showers that we see Tuesday evening, and look at Wednesday morning, a little more defined there. For today, 102, I hate to say this, but 102 at least here in Austin. Surrounding areas may be upper 90s to that 102, but we are already very hot here. 79 degrees overnight. 7-day forecast. Again, temperatures are going to reach the triple digits. Not just a today thing. This is a week-long event with the heat. Just like last year, it hasn't been as many days, but certainly is just as hot. Temperatures up to the weekend in the 100s. Not much of a rain chance there after Friday. Just hot and dry Saturday and Sunday.